The highlights of today's defense news. Kadet Defence System introduces India's pioneering loitering aerial munitions for the armed forces. Indian Coast Guard inks MOU with private sector for indigenous marine grade steel to enhance indigenous content in shipbuilding. DRDO Smart System uses special alloy steel from Jindal Stainless. India-EU hold dialogues on defense security cooperation, including in the Indo-Pacific region. Airbus finalizes acquisition of Aerovel and its Flexrotor unmanned aerial systems. Elbit Systems has two contracts, one $53 million contract to supply Crossbow unmanned turreted motor systems for European customer, and the second, a contract for Red Sky air defense systems. Finland stores equipment in Norway, and Aerojet clinches Pentagon's hypersonic additive manufacturing contract. The news in detail. Kadet Defence System has emerged as the vanguard in indigenous innovation with the successful development of India's first loitering aerial munitions. Under a unique TCPP model with the DRDO, KDS has unveiled a game-changing array of cutting-edge technologies aimed at enhancing the operational efficacy of the Indian Armed Forces. The LAM systems encompass a diverse range of advanced technologies, from canister aerial loitering munition CAM to combat UAVs, boasting standoff capabilities for munition release and tactical VTOL UAVs. Cadets LAMs represents a paradigm shift in modern warfare. With a contract in place for the delivery of over 50 systems by the end of 24, KDS is poised to meet the evolving operational requirements of the armed forces with precision and efficacy. Indian Coast Guard and Jindal Steel and Power signed a memorandum of understanding on 7th of May 24 in New Delhi for the supply of indigenous marine grade steel to enhance the indigenous content in shipbuilding. Through this partnership, both entities have committed to foster indigenization, enhance capabilities to produce and use these items in the nation's interest. The MOU underscores the importance of public private partnerships in addressing complex security challenges, emphasizing the need for collaboration between government agencies and the private sector. Several key benefits, including quality, grades, and dimensions, along with the designated steel plants to manufacture the product, are stipulated in the MOU as an assurance to the shipbuilding yards for a timely supply of marine grade steel for the ICG. Jindal Stainless has developed and supplied 3 special alloy steel sheets for structural applications in the supersonic missile assisted release of torpedo SMART, aimed at enhancing the Navy's anti-submarine warfare capabilities. The specialized grade sheets used for flying applications in the next generation missile-based lightweight torpedo delivery system were supplied to DRDO, which designed and successfully flight tested it off the coast of Orissa. The specialized sheets can withstand both high pressure and high temperature during the flight and were indigenously developed by Jindal Stainless Vertical Strategic Vertical Jindal Defence and Aerospace at the company's Hisar facility in record turnaround time. The delegation of the European Union organized a Road to Human seminar in Delhi where security experts discussed the security landscapes in the region and threat dynamics and identified avenues for cooperation ahead of the Human Forum in Brussels later this month. On 6th of May, the delegation of the European Union to India organized a Road to Human event titled The Security Environment in the Indo-Pacific Region and the EU's Role as a Security Actor in Cooperation with India, gathering prominent security and defense experts and practitioners, think tanks, academia, diplomats, Indian government officials, and EU member state representatives. Let's have a look at some global news. Airbus has finalized the acquisition of US-based Aerovel and its unmanned aerial system Flexrotor in a move to strengthen its portfolio of tactical unmanned solutions. Flexrotor is a small tactical unmanned aerial system designed for intelligence, surveillance, target acquisitions, and reconnaissance missions at sea and over land. Aerovel currently employs more than 30 people and presents a significant growth trajectory. It will continue to design and manufacture the Flexrotor in Bingen, Washington, in an existing and mature UAS ecosystem. Elbit Systems has been prominent in the global news for two contracts. The first contract, worth approximately $53 million, to supply the Crossbow unmanned turreted 120 mm soft recoil motor systems to General Dynamics European Land Systems for the installation on Pandur 6x6 wheeled armored vehicle for a European customer. Another contract won by Elbit Systems, valued at approximately $50 million, for its air defense system Red Sky from an undisclosed international client. The Red Sky system is a tactical, very short-range air defense V-SHORAD system carefully designed to effectively counter low-altitude aerial threats. Under the agreement, Elbit Systems will provide two Red Sky batteries, offering a solution that integrates both jamming and destruction defense capabilities. One of the essential components of the system is the Red Drone, an electronic warfare solution designed to detect, identify, locate, and neutralize unmanned aerial systems. This system includes D-air radar, signal intelligence sensors, and an RF jammer, and a COPS-L electro-optical payload, ensuring comprehensive threat mitigation capabilities. Additionally, the Red Sky solution will incorporate anti-aircraft missile launchers, further enhancing its defense capabilities. Mr. Yehuda Vered, General Manager of Elbit Systems Land, emphasized the importance of the Red Sky system in addressing the urgent need to protect borders and critical assets against various aerial threats while maintaining cost effectiveness. In response to Russia's demonstrated long-range military capabilities, Finland has taken a significant step in reinforcing its national defense strategy by storing military equipment in Norway. This move, emphasized by Finnish officials, comes in the wake of the lessons drawn from the conflict in Ukraine, where Russia has consistently employed long-range precision-guided munitions against vital infrastructure and population centers. This was sped up further still by the Nordic nations' recent entry into NATO, according to Finnish officials. The Financial Times quoted Finland's Deputy Chief for Armaments and Logistics, Lieutenant General Mikko Heiskanen, revealing the move to cache equipment in Norway and future plans to store more in Sweden and others further afield. According to him, the store equipment will be stored in other countries as it is a security of supply issue dispersing the stocks. The plan is to do it especially with Sweden and Norway, but also with further away countries. The U.S. Department of Defense Manufacturing Technology Program has contracted Aerojet Rocketdyne to develop a hypersonic propulsion prototype through additive manufacturing. Aerojet will develop it under the growing Additive Manufacturing Maturity for Air-Breathing Hypersonics Gamma H Challenge program for $22 million. Aerojet Rocketdyne will consolidate several essential steps of the end-to-end scramjet manufacturing process under the Gamma H contract, which will provide schedule and cost efficiencies associated with a less fragmented supply chain. That's all the news for today, and we hope that you have enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our channel, and we will be happy to get a feedback from you. Thank you.